Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this dots icon in the right upper corner and then go to the timer. Let's tap on it. So in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the specific option. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, after tapping on it, we will get back to the camera and it is notified in the left upper corner, so we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn the timer off whenever you wish. Just tap on the 3 dots icon, or actually more dots icon, tap on the timer and choose off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.